fan coil up here above the ceiling that feeds the family dining room and then the office right through the hallway here.
Okay.
There is a filter up there
Okay.
in there, so.
It's good to know. All right. There's
And
not very many of this.
No,
Not
there's
much in
only
the
2.
All right.
Thermostat is actually in that room over there.
You guys are really making my day. Got 1 on the roof and 2 in the ceiling.
And then the kitchen has a fan coil. This fan coil here feeds the kitchen and then this office right over here. Thermostat is actually right there.
Oh, interesting. Okay, perfect.
So,
So that's the only 2 in the ceiling.
Yep.
Excellent. That breaks my heart.